Okay, so I left some spaces in my sentence today so that I could label it a little bit easier and y'all could see it. I think I did this last week too. So the first thing I want to label is my subject and my predicate. Okay? So in this one, I'm going to do my simple subject, okay? This is my simple subject. Now, that would also be like saying my noun, okay? This is considered my predicate. It is not a true verb. It's called a linking verb, but it's still the predicate. So one is, okay? I also have another one down here. Feet is my simple subject. And what are the feet do? They look. This is my predicate. So because I have two subjects, two predicates, that tells me that I should have a comma here, and then this word right here, which is a conjunction. A conjunction and a comma put together two complete sentences. And if you have a subject and a predicate, and then a subject and a predicate, that means we have two complete sentences. So I could separate it here and say his feet look smaller than mine, complete sentence, or one of them is taped up. That's a complete sentence also. So those are some important things that we should have picked out. Mark off those. I wrote down a few notes for myself. All right. I also noticed a few pronouns. So right here, the word them is a pronoun. Because we talked about yesterday how there's no like proper nouns, okay? We don't know the names or anything like that. So them is a pronoun. His right here, that's another pronoun. And mine, that's another pronoun. Now, the word his and mine, they're both possessive. They show ownership. His feet, he owns his feet, right? The word mine, he's talking about his, the other person's talking about their feet, okay? And both of those are called possessive pronouns. But if you put pronouns, that's doing good. Let's see. The word look is a true verb. You could have maybe even labeled that verb. Remember I said the word is considered a linking verb. Let's see, do we have any adjectives? Smaller. That's an adjective because it's describing. Taped because it's describing the shoe or his foot. Oh, that's an adjective, not a verb. Good. So that's quite a bit already labeled. Maybe you labeled some other things like the word than or of. Maybe you looked up and figured out what those words were, what kind of parts of speech. We just haven't gotten there, so I haven't labeled them yet. So good job. If you didn't get some of these, you can add it onto yours if you want.